Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect ChatGPT with Slack. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance and let's get started. So all we have to do is to click on the bottom left hand side, then go to settings. Then here we're going to select plugins and we are going to choose browse plugins. Now we're going to use the search bar to find the Slack plugin. And here we're going to find the Slack plugin. We're going to click on it. And here on the top right hand side, you should see install plugin. You're going to click on this button and the system will prompt you to log in to Slack. From there, you should be able to log in. You should be able to select your workspaces. And that's how easy it is to link ChatGPT with Slack. So one more time, all you have to do, you click on the bottom left-hand side, you go to settings, you go to plugins, you say browse plugins. You are going to use the search bar to find Slack. You're going to select the Slack plugin. You click on install plugin, you log in, you select your workspace, and that's how easy it is to connect ChatGPT with Slack. What can you do from there? Many things. You can summarize channels, draft messages, and many more things. You can also have a conversation with ChatGPT and you can ask it how it can help you to work with the Slack plugin. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.